Ugh, adulting, right? How come no one ever talks about these need-to-know things like credit utilization, property tax, or healthcare? Well, no worries. Here at Alethia, we've got you covered. Let's dive into credit. Did you know it's more than just a card in your wallet? It's about how well you handle your money. A big tip: don't spend more on your card than you can pay back quickly. This helps keep your score healthy. Now, on to the money stuff. Heard of loans and interest? They can be simpler than they sound. When choosing a loan, a lower interest rate is your friend. It means you pay less over time. And remember, saving even a small amount regularly is a big win. Thinking about a house? There's more to it than just the price tag. Consider property taxes, repairs, and insurance too. If buying feels too much, renting could be your best bet for now. Plan your spending wisely. And about health plans and saving for later, don't get overwhelmed. Start by understanding the basics. What benefits they offer and why you might need them. If you're stuck, a financial advisor can be a great help. They're pros at explaining money stuff. We know adulting can be a handful, but with the right info, it gets easier. Use these tips, share your experiences, and let's make adult life a bit more manageable. Share this video with friends who might need a helping hand. Together, we're unstoppable at adulting!